Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury camping with the GiottiLine Siena 322 Privilege. This isn't your ordinary campervan, it's a mobile home that offers the ultimate in comfort, style, and functionality. Don't forget like, share, subscribe, Urban Rides Hub. Let's explore what makes this vehicle so special. The GiottiLine Siena 322 Privilege boasts a sleek and modern exterior that sets it apart from the crowd. Its aerodynamic design and premium finishes exude a sense of sophistication and class. The spacious layout and large windows provide ample natural light and a feeling of openness. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a luxurious and inviting interior. The living area is thoughtfully designed, with comfortable seating, ample storage space, and a panoramic sunroof for enjoying the views. The kitchen is fully equipped with modern appliances, including a gas stove, sink, and refrigerator. The bedroom is spacious and features a comfortable double bed with ample storage underneath. The Siena 322 Privilege is packed with technology and amenities to enhance your camping experience. A large touchscreen infotainment system offers navigation, entertainment, and connectivity options. The van is also equipped with air conditioning, heating, and a powerful sound system. For those who enjoy outdoor activities, the Siena 322 Privilege may offer features like a bike rack, awning, and outdoor shower. The Siena 322 Privilege is powered by a reliable diesel engine that provides ample power and torque for towing or driving off-road. The van is also fuel efficient, allowing you to travel further without frequent refueling. The suspension is tuned for a comfortable ride, even on rough roads. The Siena 322 Privilege is incredibly versatile and can be adapted to suit your specific needs. Whether you're a couple seeking a romantic getaway or a family looking for a comfortable and convenient way to travel, this campervan has something to offer. The GiottiLine Siena 322 Privilege is a luxurious and functional campervan that sets a new standard for motorhome living. With its stylish design, comfortable interior, and advanced features, it's the perfect companion for your next adventure. What are your thoughts on this luxurious campervan? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, Urban Rides Hub for more car reviews and updates.